Double Trouble 2 actually has flown at the Reno Air Race. It was displayed in 1983 and 1985, and took away an award at a subsequent air show, Sun and Fun Air Show, back in 1986. The plane was sold to a Swiss outfit called Swiss Warbirds in 1990.
As many other South American countries did at the time, include disused American types, including the P-47 Thunderbolt. Retired from the University of Virginia, Professor Emeritus in Aeronautical Engineering. Mr. Haverland retired from Virginia, which itself, even after having been pensioned off by the RAF, went on to have a career. Up in the control surfaces would still be covered in captive. The fire going by again. Was constructed in Canada. It was not uncommon, especially across the British Empire, where these aircraft have been built under license by various manufacturers, and even in the United States. And the necessity of production facilitated the use of various industries for the manufacture. More hurricanes have been produced up to the time of South America, and also succeeded in downing German aircraft before. So one might say that it is the Hawker hurricane that preserved England and made it possible for the